Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorials channel. This video is going to be about how to install PHP version 7.4 over PHP version 8.1 in Laragon. Let's get started. As you can see, the Laragon UI is already open on my PC. To check the currently available PHP version, click on the menu and click on PHP. Here you can see only the PHP 8.1 is available for now. So I don't have any other option to switch on any higher or lower version of PHP. As some projects still running on the lower version of PHP, such as PHP 7.4, you might need to add PHP version 7.4 here on the Laragon. We'll need to download the PHP version and store that on a location from where Laragon can find it. To download PHP 7.4, open your browser. Enter the URL windows.php.net. Once the page is loaded, click on the Downloads menu. Scroll all the way down to the PHP version 7.4 section and click on this zip file. Save the zip file on any location of your computer. Downloads directory is okay for now. After the download is complete, go to the location where the file is stored. Copy or move the zip file to the Laragon installation directory. Bin and PHP. Then extract or unzip the file here with the same name. After the file is unzipped, you can simply get rid of the zip file. That's all. Now both the PHP version 7.4 and 8.1 will be available on the Laragon, and you will be able to switch to any version at any time. To know how to switch and verify, go to the Laragon UI. But before that, let me show you the current version of PHP being used on one of the demo sites which I have set up here on the Laragon. I type the test project URL on a new tab followed by /info.php. As you can see, the current PHP version is 8.1. I'm going to switch the PHP version for the project to 7.4. So for this, I go back to the Laragon UI. Click on Menu. Click on PHP and select the PHP version 7.4. Let's check if the PHP version is downgraded to 7.4. No change, because we need to reload or restart the Apache service to get the change. The services have been restarted now. Let's verify if the PHP version is switched. As you can see, the PHP version for the project is changed or downgraded to 7.4. Okay friends, that's it for this video. I hope the video tutorial was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.